Hey, this is Russ with ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. So I kind of got into this job a little bit before I started to shoot a video, so what this was basically a knockdown that's been painted over on top of a slab. So we're taking all this off. I wouldn't really, this has a cool deck style to it, but I really wouldn't call it cool deck. So anyway, we're getting the majority of it off right now. So things were going pretty well. And then we got to this section over here. It really got thick, so we're going to switch tools. And we're going to go with a traditional coating removal tool, a PCD. Then we'll grind it all final. Okay, so we have the entryway all prepped up, fixed some cracks. Again, we're down to bare concrete, aggregate. So you can see how nice the prep looks. So anyway, what we got here is a little bit of a trip hazard. It's about a 1/4 inch off, nothing terrible, but we did grind that down, talked to the homeowner about it, and just said let's just grind that so nobody trips. Okay, so we're getting started. Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. Today we're in Land O'Lakes, so we just finished up this front entry porch. So they had paint and a knockdown on here previously. So we ground that all off, got it back down to bare concrete, did a few small repairs. So full grinding, full chip, polyaspartic top coat. Looks good. So just as a courtesy while we're here, there's a little bit of a trip hazard here, so we just ground this down to make it flush with the porch itself. This color is California gray. Looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.